Hi guys, so welcome back to the channel Achieving Online Freedom. In this video today, I'll be showing you how to change your TikTok username. This is very simple, so let's go ahead and get started. The first thing you need to do is to open up the TikTok app. Once you're here, you want to go to your profile in the bottom right corner. Once you're at your profile, you'll see all your posts and your drafts and whatever else. You also see Edit Profile underneath your profile picture. You want to go ahead and click Edit Profile. Once you're here, you'll see your username and your name. You can go ahead and just click on your username. From here, you can change it to whatever you like. However, usernames that contain only letters, numbers, underscores, and periods, and change your username will also change your profile link. So change it to whatever you would like. There's no guidelines with it as long as you follow those guidelines underneath this. And just click save and you'll have a new username. So I hope this video helped, and if it did, please make sure to like and subscribe. It helps out the channel a lot, and I will see you in the next video.